Hello. Today what I want to do is show you a Haversack alternative that I had bought and used over 30 years ago. So since I have released the videos on my old school Haversack kit, I've had many comments, many questions and such about what I carried my gear in. Plus a lot of stories from other folks. And it's always cool to read what other people was doing as well back, 30 years ago and so on. Now, I lived in a border town right at the Canadian and the American border. So, northern Maine, I crossed over, and there's a small settlement or town, I'm not sure which it would be. I think it's just a settlement called Meadowbanks. There was an army surplus store there, and I believe in my teens I had gotten this. And this is what I've been wearing, through many, many years. And I also wear it from time to time now. It was perfect size, fits right here flat, and it was perfect size to go hunting and so on. Plus it would carry a few pieces of gear. My mess kit, where it was flat, would fit right in there perfectly. And I'm going to show it to you up close, but it's been a great alternative. I have not owned a Haversack before until I got one in a pocket box, and that works very well. But this here is what I carried many years ago, and I'm going to show you it up close and tell you what it is. So first off, you can see how it sits and it rides. What it has is this one strap goes over your shoulder, and then there's another strap right here that hooks to an O-ring. Take that off, swings back around, and you can take it off. Now what's unique about this is the flap right here. This is how you open this. You just grab here and pull. Has two snaps, and then you're in it. The reason why that was so simple to get into, this here is for a gas mask. The military would carry these, and it would be where your gas mask was. If you needed your gas mask quick, you could rip it open, grab your gas mask, and put it on. I seen this in the military surplus many years ago, and even those days and those times, I would always think outside the box. How could I use this for my own purposes? And it became a great haversack. As you see here, my kit fits in there perfectly. I've got my knife in there. Also got my plastic in there. And I can also have enough room so I can put some food if I want, a sandwich, and so on. So it became a very good alternative haversack. So this is it up close. That's your strap that goes around, and you have a clip here that just clips into this metal ring. Also, this is your snaps right here, and how that went is they just snapped open, as you see, and then it opens up. Fairly large in there, really. And then you just push them back in. Now, here, that's your shoulder strap. It does have adjustment. I've got to adjust it all the way down. And then it's fastened here. Now, what you have on this as well is you have two snaps here, and there is a small little pocket. And then you have this pouch on the back. And that's what I've got. My pocket knife, my cordage, and I switched out that big box of matches for a small box. So it still has the same materials, the same pieces of gear that my other Haversack had, But this one here, like I said, I used to carry this over 30 years ago, and it works great. So I wanted to share this just because this may be a alternative to a haversack that people may like if they can find them out there. Someone asked me where can they get a good quality cheap haversack. Well, this one here is still with me, and I'm not sure what I paid for it, but it was fairly cheap. I want to thank you for watching. Take care, and I'm going for a hike.